So the Bank of Canada today decided to pause their overnight rate at 4.5%. Now, this isn't really a surprise because we did see inflation numbers coming down over the past couple of months. And to be honest, it's kind of a nice sigh of relief for individuals on variable rate mortgages. My name is Zain and I actively help my clients buy and sell properties across the Durham region. Now, if you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could send it to someone else who might find it helpful as well. So as of March 8th, which is this morning, the Bank of Canada has said that they will not be increasing interest rates. And this is kind of an interesting position for Canada because our neighbors to the south are continuing to increase interest rates to fight inflation. Our inflation numbers have been positive, but we're still quite a way away before we can actually hit that 2% goal that the Bank of Canada has in mind. Our numbers now in February are very encouraging to what the numbers were in the middle to the end of last year. And with the interest rates being paused, it's going to be very interesting to see whether this will continue to support buyers because we are starting to see buyer demand come back. And with the pause in interest rates, it adds a little bit of more certainty to people looking to get into the market. On a seller's perspective, this could allow more listings to come on the market because sellers will be seeing that buyers are actively shopping for homes. To be completely honest, if there was a 0.25% interest rate hike, which I was thinking might actually happen, I don't think it would have made that big of a difference on the market. And the reason I'm saying that is because a lot of people who are buying property, especially our clients, aren't necessarily buying with variable rates. They're actually buying on 1 to 3 year fixed rates because they are thinking more so on the long term of home ownership. We do know that interest rates will come down, but the $1 million question is when. The Bank of Canada does have a goal that they have in mind for the overnight rate, which is between 2 and 3%, which is kind of what it was pre-COVID. Now, what we also know is that does mean that rate cuts are coming, which will most likely happen, I don't think in 2023, but probably in the early, maybe first or second quarter of 2024. What did you think of today's interest rate announcement? I'm really curious to see how it could possibly affect you. Like always, thank you so much for watching. My name is Zain Jafrey, and like I said, I run a real estate team here in the Durham region. If you do have any questions, I will have a Calendly link down below, so please feel free to book a quick call with me.